What's up guys? So dito tayo ngayon sa first stopover natin sa Petron here in SLEX. I'm with Cassie and we're gonna be going to her resort sa Laguna. Kumusta naman ang buhay-buhay mga idol? Sakit leg?
Naisip na para magmahal lang kasi.
Proud ka bang Lagunian?
Parang iguana lang be. Parang Lagunian.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa crib ni Cassie sa Laguna and swimming pool pero lahat naman ginagawa na ngayon. Pamilya po tayo guys, tapos meron tayong bangus. Siyempre si Mami nandito. And nandito Francis, Tito Chego, Tito Ryan, Tito Janelle. Tito Roxel. I think what's nice about this resort is that they have two pools guys. Although it's not heated, it is a good way to spend your vacation with cold waters, you know? Sometimes it gets too hot in the morning, so cold swimming is the best option you got. Oh, this is a nice room. Ito yung pangalawang kwarto, still cold in. Hi Mika! Tingnan natin yung kabilang kwarto. Buksan mo nga Mika. Yan. Ay, marami pala, may tutulog din pala. Ay, malamig yung kwarto. Very nice.
Oh, laptop.
You know. Siya na naglagay lang ng pepper guys. Oh, nawala. Yun guys, oh. Meron tayong upshot board. Dito naman yung kamay ko. 1.75 liters yan. Cheers! Guys, meron tayong hotdog ngayon. Tapos chicken natin for dinner. Serve na natin. Hello! Ano? Malamig? Malamig ba? Hi! So what's up guys, may isda tayo dito kasama. Gago po.
I'm going to slide!
Morning guys, it's the second day. Dito kami ngayon sa Laguna. Makiling ata yan eh. So guys, feel ko makiling yun. Everybody.
Hindi ko alam.
Yan.
Ganda, no?
May ice cream guys. Or puto.
Ganda, no?
Oo, ganda. Yan, good morning mga idol. Good morning, good morning. Mainit?
At least di ako daw.
Kailangan ng alak para lang makaligo?
Kagabi, grabe na pagkalamig kagabi, di kaya eh.
Palaya.
Kanta ka nila.
Ha?
Kanta ka nila.
Each night see through this payphone. Ako muna.
Eh, paano ko iabot sa'yo?
Hindi ako muna. Kasi abot ko sa'yo.
0.5 yan?
Ha? 0.5. Baba tayo guys ha. Stop my voice actor again. Ito ba yung Mikaela? This is a new place that I've been to. It's Pacholo's KTV and Sports Lounge. They got a billiard table here. They got KTV rooms inside, and then a bar on the side. Si Mami. Siyempre, di mawawala ang alak kasi meron tayong stallion and then lights and apples sa loob. Dito tayo ngayon sa Dahon at Mesa. It's the third day and we're gonna try it. Ito yung menu nila. Yan, pause nyo na lang sa video guys. Ngayon, they have Bahay Kubos around. Tapos we're here inside this bigger type of Bahay Kubo, I guess. Malamig, not too much. just a cold breeze of air. I don't know if it's seen in the camera, guys, pero dun sa dulo, that's Sky Ranch, and this is the whole of Batangas, I guess, and that's Taal Lake. Yan yung food natin, guys, ngayon.
Ano yung napusit po? Dinuguan po.
So, biscuit ata tayo ngayon. So, those favorite kansi. That ends the vlog today, and actually for the past 3 days it's been amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And for the next time, guys, episode 8, I'll be sure to make better contents for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Click like and subscribe. This is all for you guys.